record what the hell's going on here. This is Smart Recorder from Smartmob, and we are not able to adjust the microphone while we're recording. I think it was like 1 for the level setting. Trying to get this to freaking work. So frustrated. I'm gonna go for a rip. Alright, we're at 0.9. Well, we just tried at 0. Or plus, we go into the pluses. Plus 20, plus 12, plus 5, plus 1, minus 9. I think minus 9 is where I wanted to be. Smart recorder. This is the same smart recorder that I had before, only still on 1. Move the microphone away from my face a little bit. Put it up on my cheek. Is that why? Oh, because it only could use 1 recording at a time because it's using the exact same fucking thing. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so this is back to the
Hey everybody, thank you for hanging in there. As you can tell, I've been very frustrated with this audio troubleshooting, and I want to thank everybody that has stuck with me so far. As you can see, I had an aha moment this week. It's a funny story. I purchased that microphone at Best Buy, that Sony microphone, and asked the Best Buy helper there specifically, do I need an adapter? Is there a microphone to Android phone adapter that I need? And he's like, no, all mini 3.5 millimeter plugs are the same. And I knew that was wrong, and something in my gut told me that was wrong. As you can tell, I think all the audio in my last multiple videos has been coming straight from my phone. And that's why all you get is engine and you can't hear inside my helmet at all. It hit me when I was reviewing the footage, trying to pick up on anything because I was out of ideas, and saw that when I put the phone in my pocket, it would click and muffle and just did not sound good at all. And then when I pulled it out on my bike to change settings, I could hear myself when I held it up here by my helmet. And then as soon as it went back in the pocket, went back to being muffled, not hearing my voice. So anytime I was riding, you were hearing straight engine noise and you were not getting any of the microphone whatsoever. But anyway, I'm going to add a couple of shout outs here. Steven Fauxtagraphy, he has a Road King with no windshield and gets audio, and he's got loud exhaust like mine. So I've been talking back and forth with him, trying to troubleshooting, and he's helped me with that. Thank you, Steven, for hanging with me. And then also for motivating me and keeping up the positive vibes. I wanted to thank DBest 1A, and I'll put both of their links in the description. They're both motovloggers, and you know, they're doing a good job of keeping the community going. So just trying to keep positive, and wanted to show you guys what's been going on, because when my microphone wasn't picking anything up, I was looking at other people's troubleshooting videos, and I came up with a lot of ideas on what could or couldn't be working there. So until next time, thank you guys for hanging in there. A lot better quality stuff to come. And right now I've got like a half dozen subscribers. I've been doing this for a few months. I'm gonna start once I start getting consistent motovlogs and get my act together, then I will start marketing it a little bit more. And you guys have stuck with me. You'll be able to say you've been here since the beginning. So thank you very much, and peace out.